Water and sanitation are key national priorities of the government. But these are pressured by increasing urbanization. Under the Swachh Bharat mission, most citizens now have access to toilets. But what happens to the waste generated from these toilets? Manual scavengers face terrible conditions doing manual cleaning. Most of the septage is disposed in the open, contaminating our water and leading to diarrhea, typhoid, and other diseases. This affects every citizen. So what can we do? The go-to solution is conventional sewerage systems, but these are expensive, hard to maintain, and resource inefficient. There is a paradigm shift to non-sewered sanitation solutions, and now is the time to scale up efforts for treatment of septage generated in our cities. It is time to think of our ecology and our citizens. The Government of India is proposing this through key policy and programmatic interventions. Fecal sludge and septage management is a major thrust area under Mission Swachh Bharat and Amrut, with an FSSM sub-mission established under Amrut. This is enhanced with a national policy on fecal sludge and septage management, which calls for nationwide implementation of FSSM in all urban local bodies. There are also new ODF Plus and ODF Plus protocols under Swachh Survekshan 2019, which emphasize septage and sewage management. 17 states have adopted the NFSSM policy. While the FSSM approach has been adopted by multiple cities across the country, city governments and urban local bodies have identified and focused their efforts on addressing city-specific issues. Under Swachh Bharat mission, over 65 lakh toilets have been built, and there have been conversions of unsanitary toilets into sanitary ones.
మేము ఏదైతే ఒక సమగ్ర ప్రణాళిక తయారు చేసుకున్నామో ఓడిఎఫ్ విషయంలో పబ్లిక్ టాయిలెట్స్ కానీ అదేవిధంగా డొమెస్టిక్ టాయిలెట్స్ కానీ అదేవిధంగా ఇన్సానిటరీకి సంబంధించినవి కానీ
Other cities have focused on improving community and public toilets.
लोकांची अशा तक्रारी होते की जी काही सार्वजनिक शौचालय आहेत त्याची नियमित देखभाल होत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे सिन्नर शहरामध्ये एकूण जी 22 सार्वजनिक आणि समुदाय शौचालय होते ते सर्व शौचालयांच्या दुरुस्तीचं काम आपण तातडीने हाती घेतलं. याचं देखील 3 वर्षाच्या कालावधीकरता टेंडर दिलेलं आहे.
The waste from these toilets is collected on a scheduled basis every 2 to 3 years by impaneled operators who use personal protective equipment.
पूर्वी सिस्टीम अशी होती की लोकांनी आमच्याकडे यायचं, नंतर मग इथे 1000 रुपये भरून त्यांना पावती करावी लागायची, म्हणजे फी होती त्याची डिस्लजिंगची, आणि त्यांच्या ते मागणीनंतर मग नगरपालिका आपली यंत्रणा पुरवत होती. मे 2018 पासून शेड्यूल डिस्लजिंग रेग्युलरली चालू आहे. त्या अर्थाने एका वर्षामध्ये 2000 इतके सेप्टिक टँक स्वच्छ केले जाणार आहेत, जे पूर्वी संख्या फक्त 100-150 वगैरे होती वर्षाला.
Scheduled desludgers are allowed to empty their tankers only at designated treatment plants that allow for treatment and reuse of waste. Odisha is one of the few states which has put in place a statewide strategy.
We implemented both sewerage network system as well as fecal sludge management system. We found that implementing a sewerage network system is extremely difficult, very complicated. One of the complex infrastructure project is the sewerage network system, where you dig up the roads and put up the underground pipeline system, which runs on gravity, very high capital intensive. Rather compared to that, fecal sludge management is easy, very low technology, low capital intensive, and then easy to operate. Local communities can manage, and it's very quick to put up that system. We have not taken more than 1 year or 1.5 years to construct and commission a system. Right now we have about 11 plants running. My experience is that now we have decided to go for fecal sludge management in the entire state.
Through all the cities currently implementing FSSM, gender and community involvement is at the forefront. Gender integration in sanitation increases women and transgender empowerment in sanitation.
ఈ జెండర్ ఫోరంకి సంబంధించి మనము సబ్ కమిటీస్ అయితే ఏర్పాటు చేసుకున్నాము. వాటికి సంబంధించి మనకు మున్సిపల్ లెవెల్లో ఈ సబ్ కమిటీస్ని అడాప్ట్ చేసుకున్నాము. అయితే ఎప్పుడైతే సబ్ కమిటీస్ అటాచ్ అవుతున్నాయో మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్కు అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అయితే స్లమ్ లెవెల్లో వీళ్ళు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నా కూడా, ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నా కూడా వాళ్ళు డిమాండ్ చేసి ఏదైనా ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్లో కూడా తీసుకురావడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది.
Meanwhile, vulnerable populations such as manual scavengers and other communities can be mainstreamed through livelihood opportunities within the sanitation sector for their empowerment.
We have the self-help groups, we have the area level federations also. They're very dynamic groups. And these groups are actually from the community. They are at the ward level. They are the opinion makers at the community level. And it is a low technology. So we organize them and then we provide training to them. And then we make them to operate and maintain the community toilets, the public toilets, the cesspool vehicle and the septic treatment plant also.
It is critical to scale FSSM across every town and state in India for a positive impact on our future. It is critical to prioritize sustainable sanitation solutions that include decentralized and non-sewered solutions, end manual scavenging, enhance women participation, recognize the impact potential of national level programs, and make sustained efforts to ensure citywide inclusive sanitation.